Hi! Hala ka. Ang ganda ng views dito, guys. Diba? Beach house. Oh, dito na lahat. Hello! Dali na. Parang mas maganda doon. Welcome to the beach, guys! Oh, you see? A Soul Beach, guys. Oh, welcome, everyone. Very nice place and amazing, guys. Ayun, kita nyo, guys. It's all blue. Wow! Ito ang mga person today, ang update, guys. Hello, everyone. Wow, very nice. Doon din, Bish, oh.
White sun.
Hi! Hello! Ayun. Close pa?
Swimming pool.
Ah, the swimming pool is closed. Wow, guys.
Lazy look.
Hala, ang ano, oh, ang beach.
Yes, that's beach.
Yes.
Now you say and now you.
Yeah, the beach is very, very clear. Yeah.
Smell dagat yun siya.
Smell beach.
Smell mangin.
Yeah. Very, it's amazing.
It's amazing.
Amazing beach.
Wala daw si Coco. Ganahan niya si Coco.
Hello, guys. Ito na ang update natin today. Andito na ang mga person, guys. So, we are here now. Wow, never give up. Be grateful. Stay humble. Wow, ang ganda ng views nila dito, guys. Guys, very nice. Wow, pool area. So, dito kayo. You're here inside. Oh, sa nyo, guys. Hala, maganda din dito, Bes. Wow.
Another adventure na naman dito, guys.
Hello, everyone.
Ay, pwede ko sa lang nila, ha?